Iwoland, the city of Odidere, has produced great men and women. In the annals of Iwoland legend, the name Adisa Ajiboye Adigun cannot be found wanting. Pa Adisa Ajiboye Adigun was born on the 16th August 1936 into the family of Pa Tiamiyu Adigun and Madam Ashabi Adekunbi Adigun at Badekande compound, Iwo local government of the then Oyo State, now Osun State. The young Adisa Adigun started his primary education at Aipate Baptist Primary School from 1944 to 1954, where he obtained the first school leaving certificate for his professional training as a teacher. He attended local authority teachers college, Latiko, Iwo, for the grade 3 teacher certificate from 1955 to 1956. He attended Ibadan Provincial Teachers Training College, Oshogbo, for the grade 2 teachers certificate, higher elementary, from 1959 to 1960. Pa Adisa Ajiboye Adigun attended School of Agriculture, Akure, where he obtained grade 1 certificates between 1964 and 1965. In order to be fully equipped for his duties as a teacher, Pa Adisa Ajiboye Adigun attended the University of Ife, now Obafemi Awolowo University, for associate course from 1972 to 1973. Pa Adigun's work life was so interesting. He started his career as a pupils teacher in 1955 before being admitted to local authority teachers college, Iwo, Latiko. He resumed back to work as headmaster at DC School, Alagba, in Ayedire local government. On completion of his study, he later transferred to Baptist Modern School, Iwo. He moved to LA Commercial Modern School. He worked in many schools and completed his service at Baptist High School, Iwo, as agricultural science teacher. He remained in the chalk and talk profession until 1987 when he retired. Pa Adisa Adigun joined the First Olukotun Baptist Church. He started his service to his creator as a member of the Iropodun Society as a youth, while also participating in various other church activities. He was sometimes a treasurer, youth chairman, choir member, drama member, board of trustees, chairman for 60th anniversary of the church, and CTP director from 1985 to 1987. He remained an active member until his death. Pa Adigun was a passionate believer in the development of youth and humanity and a cheerful giver. Elder Adigun was a very active member of the Iwo Youth Front. He was at the same time a pioneer member and first president of Otitoloju CICS, which was established in 1979, a cooperative society. He was also a political actor, a strong member of the defunct National Party of Nigeria, NPN. The active role he played cost him his house and farms, which were burnt in 1983 political crisis. I was a living witness. In 1999, at the emergence of democracy in Nigeria, he joined People's Democratic Party (PDP) and was an active member until he answered a higher call to glory. Pa Adisa Adigun was happily married to Mrs. S.A. Adigun, and the union was blessed with children and grandchildren. One of the proud children is engineer Mrs. Aderunke Olawale Ọmọ Adigun. Bámi Adisa, ọmọ ìyá ọ̀la, ọmọ èjìgbọ́jọ́, ọmọ àrèjìwíjọ́, ọmọ àrèjìwíyìn, ọmọ ẹkùn dámi lọ́rùn lọ́la. Mo ṣubú yẹ́gẹ́, mo mú péjì, mo ṣèrì wọ̀wọ̀, mo mú péjì lọ́la. Èjìgbọ́jọ́ ará ìlágbẹ̀dẹ, àgbẹ̀dẹ ṣùṣù lọ́nà tìrè. Ìrè ní mògùn ó ròdèrè jó, ìrè ní mògùn ó ròdèrè ṣáwó Ejitola ọmọ awórin tún rinrọ àgbẹ̀dẹ ṣùṣù lọ́nà tìrì Àdìsá ìwọ lọ́mọ àràká onígbẹ̀dọ̀ àṣípájó ẹrú ilé wọn kò gbọ́dọ̀ bá wọn jó ìwọ̀fà wọn kò gbọ́dọ̀ pẹ́sẹ̀ gbẹ̀dúdà ọmọ bíbí inú àràká ni yóò bá wọn jó gbẹ̀dú làlújá lágọ̀ọ́ sì máa yàbá tó ṣeré wa gbó lọ ọmọ láńgorí ọlá ọmọ lágorí ìyá rẹ̀ so àràká bó jó lẹ́sẹ̀ tí ò tó máa jó lápálápá bí ọmọ ẹyẹ ọmọ ìgbéjàjòdì ọmọ aráyé lòun láṣẹ lẹ́nu òjìyàn lẹ́gò ijó tó jiyàn lẹ́gò nílé yín odò lé kò gbọ́dọ̀ rókòrò àṣẹ bẹ́ẹ̀ kò gbọ́dọ̀ lùgbàgà ọmọ kéékèèké lé ò gbọ́dọ̀ sunkún ọmú ọmọ lágọ̀ọ́ sì máa yàbá Àdìsá Àdìgún ọmọ lágbẹ̀dú àrà.